Hey y'all, it's the Country Notary. Hope you're having a great day. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Y'all, I am in the middle of a home renovation. I don't know if I mentioned it in a previous video. I just wanted to do a quick video before the contractor gets too far. Some of the old cabinets, the old refrigerator, yes, that's actually an old refrigerator, are still intact. And my new appliances that I've had for years aren't, or my newer appliances aren't. They're in the garage as well as the storage room. But as you can see, we've had to go into the ceiling to address some, or check out some issues that luckily weren't there when we got into the walls. And this whole area has been reframed for, there were windows there before. So now there are no windows. It'll open up to the, in this case, it'll be closed in and sheetrocked. It was open to the back of the house, which is now storage, but now we're closing that in. I'm closing that in. And there'll be a little peekaboo window right there where the dining table goes, just to get some exterior light, natural sunlight. So he's about halfway finished. He actually did this entire sheetrock job today. As you can see, about half in one day. And he did the ceiling work yesterday, which is about 80% finished. He's gonna patch 2 holes and skim it and stamp it, give it a modern stamp, because this house is built in 1973, as you can see by the flooring that's still here. So in a few days, I'll do an update video so that we can see the progress. I'm going to use the progress on this renovation as a resume for my portfolio. I'm planning to purchase an investment property very soon. And this will be, I'm actually managing this project myself, managing my contractors, who are basically family and friends, who are very talented individuals. And God bless us with a safe and equity building outcome. An awesome outcome. Thank y'all for watching. We'll talk to you soon. It's the Country Notary. Have a great day.